I am Suvarnamalini B, Associate Professor of Commerce in Dr. P. Dayananda Pai, P. Satish Pai, Government First Year College, Car Street, Mangalore. Today we shall see regarding the cash budget. I have given you the general format of cash budget. First of all, you should observe the amount in rupees, whether it is in lakhs or crores. Another one, you have to observe in the question how many months information are given in the question. Is it for 3 months, 4 months or 6 months? Suppose if you have January to July information, you have to take the first month as January, second one February, like that up to June. If your question is related to July to December, take the first month as July, at the end December. Suppose if you have only 3 months information, you maintain only 3 column related to months and no need to prepare 6 months column in the cash budget. Let's see the in particular column what are to be recorded at the maximum based on the Mangalore University question paper. I have done this. First of all, you should write opening balance of cash and I have denoted it as A. So opening balance of cash, generally for the first month will be given in the question and afterwards you have to identify the answer for each month related to opening balance of cash. And B here is denoted for receipts or cash inflows or receipts. It may be in the form of cash sales or collection from debtors or collection from customer. Sale of any asset, maybe sale of investment, sale of machinery, etc. You may get the money when you issue shares, when you issue debentures. You may get fund or receive money when you do borrowings or when you raise the loan or when you take the loan. And you may receive interest on FD, CD, certificate of deposits or a recurring deposit, or any other receipt of cash or income if you have that are nothing but cash inflows or receipts or receipt. If you add A and B together, then you will get the answer for total cash. Then you have to see the disbursement part, that is the payments or cash flows or cash flow and payments, both are same, that I have here denoted as a C. Under payment section, you may get a cash purchase amount, you may get payment to creditors, payment to suppliers, you may get payment in the form of salary, payment for wages, payment of rent, payment of power or payment of any expenses, and you may have to pay amount while purchasing any asset or while purchasing fixed asset. When you do the redemption of shares, generally redemption of preference shares, redemption of debentures you may get, means you are going to pay money. Repayment of loan or repayment of borrowings or repayment of loan installment if you get, you have to consider it as outflow or payment. You may have to pay interest on borrowings or interest on loan also, that is also coming under payment. And you have to pay excise duty, you have to pay income tax, you have to pay levy expenses, all these are coming under payments. Likewise, any cash drawings if you get, it means you are taking out money from the business to your personal use, but amount goes out now. When amount goes out, it is a payment. Likewise, when you do investment, your amount goes out to maybe bank or any investment section. Likewise, any amount goes out, any other payment in respect of expenses or payment of cash if any, if you get, total of these C here is called total payments. Then you have to identify closing balance of cash. How to do? What you have added A plus B, that total cash minus what you have done the total of C, so that you will get the closing balance of cash. You may get either surplus or a deficit. If you get the difference positive, then it is called surplus. If you get the difference deficit minus, then it is called deficit. So, cash inflow minus cash outflow is called surplus or deficit. Now, why we are doing this closing balance of cash? Closing balance of cash of the first month will be the opening balance of the second month. Likewise, closing balance of the second month is to be considered as a opening balance of the next month. Likewise, you have to do. As per the syllabus and the discussion made within the faculties related to financial management, till surplus or deficit you have to answer. But still, you should know what actually the cash budget as per the financial management written by Khan and Jane. Sometimes a minimum required amount will be given. If it is given, then you have to keep the minimum required amount, then remaining amount can be taken as a opening balance. And here borrowings, if it is needed, because the minimum required amount you have to keep means, if money is not sufficient, then you have to borrow. Suppose if you have excess money, you have to invest, or you can repay the borrowings and you will get the end balance. But last four columns that you have to know for knowledge purpose, but up to surplus or deficit you will get the question. So you have to learn in this way regarding the format of cash budget. I hope you will study this format easily, because explanation is already given to you.